War day number 868. 868 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. And everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, July the 10th, 2024. We have not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles today. The 3 Star Sudoku, the 4 Star Sudoku, and the binary. No additional, no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Yeah. So only 3 puzzles. Maybe tomorrow we will have an additional with extra puzzles. Oh. Yeah. And yeah, today is an important day because today Holland will play for the finals. Yes, it's the semi-final between England and Holland. So who will win? Yeah, who will win? Anyway, let me start with these 3 puzzles. Okay. The first one, 3 Stars Sudoku. This will be number 8875. And before I start, I always cut the printed digits. Well, this one. Oh. Let me move to this side. Need more room. Okay. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Okay. Let me analyze. 4. 2. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above, so on that row. Only place level 4 should be there. 1. Here, 9 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so on that row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9, 9. I cannot continue with 9. No, not true. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be 6, 6. Need a 5 here, need an 8 here. 2, 2. Need a 3 here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, And look, we have 1 and a 3 in the last row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there, so 1 is left. In this big square for number 7. 1, 1. 3, 3. Alright. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. 8, 8. Then 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so in the row between second row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes, and 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. And a 3. We have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column. Only place left, 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place left 6 should be there. Then need a 5, need a 3, and I need a 8. Yeah. We have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this column. 3 and a 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, now 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the third column, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. Then, let me see. How about? Need 7 here. Come on. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Yeah. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only two places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. All the 6s. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes, 7 in that row, so no 7 in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot it in. One, two, four, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 and 4 in this row. No 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 7. Then, the 1 here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, 7 goes and there. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first columm. Only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 7 should be there. Let me think. 1, 3, 4. Not 1, 3. 1, 3, 5. Well. 3 and 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the next same numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.